ni palia upa li zenghua chuan afa pashin hlim hlol bana alo se ngur lai narsin avamutut maya rangtakin hospital staff te akova aka an karkaw saka afa pa chu an sanhim theita shramani zenghua chu raipur ni ma se engthilemo wangin anu in atangin an chuaka hengthilte wang hian a ril rubuain afa chu lo ei me tum ni in an ngayani.
According to local media reports, the attack happened at a hospital in the city of Shenzhen in China's Guangdong province. The woman had been found on the streets heavily pregnant and in labor. The homeless woman, suspected to be mentally unstable, was taken to the hospital where she gave birth and attempted to eat her baby.
Kumsam thum palia upa chu hotela November sang ni som pali khan kumsam ni pahnia upa meche pakhat mai lo ei lai chu manani a ama mithi wahi achena hotel bula cheng abial nu kuta thlak chima wangin manalo ni to a kumnga tang tura ti ani tuntuma meche maya ei lai an man ma kartlem te liam ta khan an chhuale ta chau kha ni a police in high voltage taser manga bein ni khoshalavin a oma athizui tani.
And he was found eating a 22-year-old woman's face. The victim's name was Sherry Yem.
Kumsangka zakua samrit pakhat khan Japanese ise sagawa chuan a classmate Rini Hartevel ti chu Pairisa a inlu apartment a poetry zurdun puitu rin soma Mase a inlua chuan Rini ngonga chuan selai na kap ta thuta arong po chu apola chumi hnu ni nia arong chu ngai savelin a eya anu a ama sagawa soidanin khatia Rini I ruang a e khan a mel thatna le moina kha nei thei tura in ngai ani anman tira friends tan ina khungani a anuwa legal process in Japan rama tan ina anda pheyani le a maktakin tuna hian sagawa hi an chu azalen to a Tokyo khopuya restaurant reviewer guest speaker le writer na tokin akosame kani.
There is one murderous cannibal walking among us today. Issei Sagawa, a 66-year-old man from Japan, murdered and feasted upon a Dutch woman while studying in France. Days before this, Sagawa had shot and killed Renee, and then spent the rest of those days dismembering and eating her. The desire to eat her came to him while reading poetry to her in his apartment. In his own words, he said, "My passion is so great, I want to eat her. If I do, she'll be mine forever. There is no escape from this desire."
Greyhound basa chuan China tanga pem Canadian citizen thar li chuan abula muhil borbor lai mekalin chu achemti pain a vitta zot maya li chu bus thunga chuan kalkwal velin passenger danghom huwa amitha lu chu akengkwal vela passenger ho hlau chu bus tang an tlan chuka lipo chu bus atangin a tlan chuak vea ma se bus a chuan let le in amitha meklin a taksa chu atan bunga a eitran tamaya amit beng nar le leite a eitavek mayani anman hnuwa ama lia soidanin khathil kha pathianin titura ati wanga ti ani o chuan Bible story pathumna kani thule Isua local le huna mishingte achandam tur angkha kani thu min hrila khapa kha thatturin min ti a alien ani ti thu min hrila khovel mishingte hi alien laka chanhim turin min ti ani ati tuna hian li hi maximum security mental facility a da ani.
The body of the 22-year-old stabbed to death on board this bus was beheaded, mutilated, and cannibalized. Those and other graphic details were shared today in court as the Crown attempted to get a mental health assessment on the accused, Vincent Lee.
Alexander Specific tuna psychiatry hospital la ommek chuan mi samriat vela thatwa ma se cheng taka hriat chu som pakwa chau an ni thung ami tha zinga tamjok te sa a e vekani miril rubuaya nga in Russia rama ril rubuai ho en kolna a da anita ani Alexander in chungzona pai pachiang lova a then omte na siam thatu tur plumber an kova lo theilovin Alexander in chu pipe siam thatu rin an kar honga plumber chuan ruang taksa hle lubung te chu bed tapa le chauka a bol hrang hranga mihring taksa da ava hmuchuaka galte savai phei chu sofa a engtin te nemo lo la dam trok trokin alo oma ma se rei lo te a athi vele ngal tho ani thilmak tak om ta chu Alexander anu chuan ami tha tur pia nga vabum ma sa thina an ina alu pui ma sa a ti chuan Alexander chuan lopong sualin avwa a athata ti chuan anu chuan ami tha ho chu dinaratan alo siam sakta thin ani Alexander chu thitura achung thu rel ani ta ani